maanta wasaaradda shaqada iyo arrimaha bulshada waxay noo tahay runtii maalin aad iyo aad qiimo noo leh ayna tusaysa commitmentiga dowladdeena. waxaan rabaa in halkan maanta aan ka xuso waxaan la jooga dhammaan dowladaha xubnaha ka dowladda federaalka Soomaaliyeed oo wasiiradoodii ay joogaan iyo mataqaan dadkii matalayay. waxay taa ku tusaysaa waxay tahay inaan ka shaqeynayno inaan si inclusively kulli dhammaantood looga shaqeeyo. marka runtii waxaan rabaa inaan u mahadceliyo Fardowsa iyo Umar iyo dhammaan dadkii ka soo shaqeeyay siyaasaddan oo wartash dheer la geliyay. marka runtii aad iyo aad ay u mahadsan yihiin. His Excellency Deputy Prime Minister, Excellency Federal Member States, Diplomatic Corps, UN agencies, INGOs, civil societies, trade union representatives, and distinguished guests. I welcome you all to the Social Protection Policy Lounge. As you all know, Somalia is recovering from decades of civil war. Public institutions are moderately improving. We firmly believe that the providing social services enhances the legitimacy of the government and improves the social contract between the government and its citizens. If you look around the room, one thing that strikes the most is the diversity and the wide range of representative from different sectors. The formation of this policy has been a journey that many of us have walked together, and I'm today proud that we see the fruits of many discussions we have had. Over the years, government's role has been missing, and our partners have filled the gap in delivering essential services to Somali citizens with humanitarian responses. We thank the humanitarian sector for saving the lives and positively impacting many more lives, both locally and nationally. While the Somali is prone to shock and the humanitarian response is vital, we also need to invest in the long-term poverty reduction strategies such as providing social transfer, access to education, health, water, and employment. The Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs representing the federal government of Somalia has been tirelessly working with social sector and economic line ministries in federal government as well as federal member states, donors, UN agencies, private sector, and civil societies in creating and enhancing social protection legislation, policy, and programs that are designed to reduce poverty and vulnerability, promoting labor markets, and enhancing the country's human capital to mitigate economic and social risks such as the widespread youth unemployment and radicalization and disability. Distinguished guests, this is not the first gathering for social protection family. I look forward to more gatherings as we are collectively working towards social protection policy and designing programs for most vulnerable. Today's launch of social protection policy is clear testimony our government's commitment towards building government system which enhance service delivery, transparency, accountability, while strengthening state institutions to assume its role and deliver its citizens. In concluding, I want to thank the Italian government for generosity funding for the social protection policy at the early stage. While no one believes it is, we are grateful. I also want to be very grateful to the World Bank. It is really the way they put this program very speedily. Sometimes it takes 16 months, but I know they get it in only 2 months. I want to be very thankful to the World Bank. We are so grateful to the World Bank IDEA Grant for Social Response Safety Net. We urge the donors and implementing partners to closely coordinate with the government in the collective effort to combating poverty and preventing Somalia. And it gives me a distinguished honor now to introduce you our the most important guest here today, who is the Deputy Prime Minister, Mr. Mahdi.